So there's that. Ooh. This is that moment where you're like, oh. That looks cool. I'm gonna keep this. Oh, gorgeous. Cool. It's a heart. This matches that rock that I found the other week. Last week's rock. Our green rock. Here's its friend. There's Clara way. Can't even see her. It's way down there. Oh, here's the jellyfish. Okay, I'm learning. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not touching it. There's bees for me. This is a really pretty piece. It looks a little bit raw, but we'll take it. Let's see, can we see Clara now? Nope, still can't really see her. That's cool. Oh, there she is, way out there. That's her way out there. Far, far, far away. This is pretty. It's wet though, so we all know it's not going to dry like this. Very nice green rock. Love it. We'll bring it, see how it dries. Orange rock. Oh, it's a real big piece too. Oh my god, and another piece over here, look. Right there. Oh my god, yay! Okay. Oh, and another piece over here. Okay. Okay, thank you, world. I was feeling pretty sad for myself. Here, this is the piece I found second. There. But this little guy, look at him. Walking on him. Woo! Look at that. It is big. Beautiful. This is saying that we're gonna head down this way. We're gonna go down by that rock, we're gonna head that direction. Let's do it. Is that it is. Oh my, yes, okay. Gorgeous, another gorgeous piece of sequins. Love it. Oh my. Okay, we can do this. I'm feeling empowered. I feel like it's a little bit like driving a car. The urge is to look directly down in front of you the whole time, you know, right in front of the dashboard, as close to your front bumper as you can see. But the reality is, if you do that, not only are you probably gonna crash into stuff, you're not going to have any advance warning about anything that's coming down the road. Your car's going to be all over the place. It's really more about looking down and ahead and out and seeing what's coming in the distance, and your car will sort of do what it's supposed to do. And at least that's what my driver's ed teacher taught me. And I think she was right. And I think it applies to sea glass as well. Very proud of myself for that piece of sea glass. Let's hope we can find some more. This is like a shell, but I love it still. It's just, very satisfying. Ooh, green. Green! Yay, green piece. Small, but nice. Yay, look, here's another piece right here. You see? That clear piece right there. Alright, so this is the angle that works. No way. Yes way. Another small green piece. Gorgeous. Ooh, what is that? Look at this. Oh, come on. That is not sea glass. Don't tell me that's not cool though. Very cool. Yep, look right there. Right here is a piece. Very pretty. I think that might even be like a color of some kind. She's still just like so far down. There she is, so far down the beach. So far away. Woo! It's small, but it's there. Yay! At the bottom of my pants are... Oh, short people problems. That's okay. It's green peas. So I'm having trouble differentiating between the different colors of green sea glass. Look at this one, Seems good. What a good ring rock. Very pretty. Oh. Okay, shell piece. It's pretty. Not sea glass, but pretty. Yay! Small piece. I wouldn't say it's a big piece, but it's a piece. It's a piece of sea glass nonetheless. It counts. Oh, tiny, tiny, tiny piece of brown. This is like one of the ones where it's like, does that count? It's your call. If you don't want to think that counts, like, that's okay. Here we go. Okay. Oop. Dropped this other thing I just picked up, but look at that. That is sea glass. We are back on it. I used to watch these gold mining shows, right? Like on Discovery or something, and they'd be on the on the gold, you know, and it would be these, because gold, it's in deposits, right? Like down in these different layers of rock and things like that. Ooh, another piece just as I'm standing here blabbing away. There was another piece right in front of me. Anyway, so gold, it lives in these, or it's deposited in these veins underneath different layers of soil and rock and stuff. And miners go with these different machines and things, bulldozers and front loaders and all of that jazz, and dig around, and then they take the dirt that they find and they jam it through a giant sifter, and it runs through with a bunch of water through it and stuff, and then at the end of the day they take out these big old mats, and inside the mats is all this bits of gold, right? And I feel like I am a gold miner, except for sea glass. Update on the girls, the dogs. They did great. Ooh, let's look at this rock while I talk about these dogs and how well they did. Okay, first of all, taking the rock. Oh my god. Ah, I love it. Okay, so how the girls did. So the girls did great last time. We got back and they were just happy to see us, and they didn't do anything horrible. I was very proud of them. Ooh, shining bright. It's not sea glass, don't worry, it's just a rock. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's huge. Love it. What is this? Very cool. Feels different. It's clearly not just like a rock type of deal. Oh, tiny. Is that sea glass? There it is. Sea glass, regular glass, I don't know. You can decide. Let me know in the comments. Is this regular glass, sea glass, what do we call it? So who else has the kind of ears where, I don't know, maybe this is just everybody. If you go outside for a while and it's real cold and you don't have a hat or earmuffs on or anything like that, that when you go inside afterwards, your ears just freeze. And my ears are gonna be on fire. They're gonna be so cold feeling even though I'll be in the warmth. And they're probably gonna hurt. Like a lot. Here is a seashell. It's tiny. Let's see.
And one of them's purple, really purple for this time.
Wow. That really. Wow. That's great finds.
Thanks.
I had a feeling that you were going to be doing some good finds today.
I found some good stuff. My hand is cold. Woo!
Hello, friend.
Hi.
Hi.
It's chilly today.
I found some sea glass, but not that much. And then I, also spent about 10 years talking about how cold I was.
Yep.
It's cold.
It is chilly today. The barefoot days are over.
Oh, yes.
I gotta button up.
And it's starting to rain more, too.
Yeah, I felt the raindrops, and that's when I got up to find you. Because I was like, oh, it might get warm.
Oh, yeah.